Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to focus on the word handicap. It's a term that relates to challenges and fairness in various contexts. Let's get started. Meaning. A handicap is a noun that can have several related meanings. 1. In sports and competitions, it refers to an advantage given to a less skilled or less experienced participant to make the competition more equal and fair. 2. In the context of disabilities, it refers to a physical or mental condition that limits a person's abilities to perform certain tasks or participate fully in society. Pronunciation. Pronounce handicap as ʻhændɪkæp, with the emphasis on the first syllable, hand. Use in a sentence. 1. In golf, players with higher skill levels often receive a handicap to level the playing field. 2. She overcame her physical handicap and became an inspiration to many. Synonyms. For the sports sense, synonyms for handicap include advantage, disability rating, or allowance. In the sense of a physical or mental condition, synonyms can include disability, impairment, or challenge. Conclusion. Handicap is a word that touches on both fairness in competition and the challenges faced by individuals with disabilities. It reminds us to consider the needs and abilities of others in various contexts. Thanks for joining us, and may your understanding of handicaps lead to a more inclusive and equitable world.